What if I told you this tiny bucket could grow a full-size watermelon? Sounds impossible, right? But stay with me, because what you're about to see is actually real. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. Let's start simple. All you need is a basic plastic bucket. No big garden, no expensive tools, but there's one thing you cannot skip: drainage. We drill a few holes at the bottom because too much water can kill the plant fast. Now we build the foundation. First, a layer of gravel. This helps water flow out easily. Then we add rich potting soil, dark, loose, and full of nutrients. To make it even better, mix in compost. This is what feeds your plant throughout its entire life. Now comes the exciting part. The seeds. These tiny seeds may look nothing special, but inside them is the potential for something big. Plant them gently into the soil, not too deep, just enough to cover them. Give them a light watering, and now we wait. Place your bucket in a sunny spot. Watermelons love sunlight. The more sun they get, the faster they grow. After a few days, you'll see it. A tiny green sprout breaking through the soil. It's small, fragile, but full of life. Every single day it grows a little more. The stem gets stronger. Leaves begin to open, reaching toward the sunlight. At this stage, consistency is key. Water regularly, but don't overwater. Healthy roots need oxygen too. Soon, the plant starts to spread. A vine slowly crawls out of the bucket, searching for space. This is where things get interesting. The leaves grow bigger, the plant gets thicker, and then one day you'll notice something new: a small yellow flower. This flower is the beginning of your watermelon, but here's something most beginners don't know. You may need to help pollination. Just gently transfer pollen from one flower to another. It only takes a few seconds, but makes a huge difference. After that, the flower slowly fades away, and right behind it, something magical appears: a tiny watermelon. At first, it's really small, almost unbelievable, but don't worry, this is just the beginning. Day by day, it starts growing, slowly but surely. You'll begin to see the shape forming. The green color deepens, stripes start to appear, and every single day, it gets bigger. Make sure to support the fruit. You don't want it sitting directly on wet ground. Keep watering consistently, keep giving it sunlight, and just watch. Because this is the most satisfying part. That tiny fruit turns into something massive. Weeks go by, and now look at it. A full-grown watermelon from just one bucket. Now it's time. The moment we've been waiting for. Harvest. Carefully cut it from the vine. Feel the weight. This is real. Now let's open it up. Listen to that sound. That's the sound of a perfect watermelon. And look inside. Bright red, juicy, fresh, all grown, at home, in a simple bucket. No big farm, no complicated system. Just patience, care, and the right steps. So next time you think you need a lot of space to grow food, remember this: sometimes one bucket is all it takes.